Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice pentatonic scale you can always use on your one. Alright. Okay, so before I do that, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button right away. And also, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, the syllabus is on the screen. You should do that. You should do that. All those syllabus you see on the screen, I explain them in a pre-recorded video over 2 hours. You'll see my fingers, you see the MIDI screen, you get PDF, you get MIDI file, all at a very cheap price of 4,000 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people overseas at a very cheap price. What you get is more than the price, trust me. So for people who are serious about learning and moving forward, especially in the areas of those syllabus, all those topics were covered. Just my contact is on the comment section. Please, just for people who are serious, if you don't need it, you don't have any business chatting me up, please. All right. So for people who are serious about this, chat me up to get your copy. You pay and you get your copy straight. I'll be expecting you on my WhatsApp, and then there's a link to get it on my store, also on Seller Store. You can check the about page of the channel. Okay, so there's this pentatonic scale that goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's your 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 notes in your major scale. So that's just the notes for that pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call it major pentatonic scale, right? So, but now what I do is sometimes I now use this pentatonic scale and then add some other notes that are not actually in that scale. For instance, using my major 7. Imagine. So I'm supposed to do something like this. When I'm doing this, I'm keeping to the major pentatonic scale. But when I do this, I'm already extending that to the major scale. So I'm adding other notes, just like you're doing. Right. Okay, so that's it. So just like doing that, adding other notes like, right. So for this now we have a 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right? So on your one. So we're doing so I'm going up, then coming back to my 5 slowly, right? Three there, 2, 1, right? Something like that. So okay, 2, 1, 6, back to 2, then 6 to 7, then 6, then 5. So that's it. So you can always throw that up anytime while you are soloing, while service is starting, when you are playing songs, when you are one, right? You can try it on 3 also. You can try it on 3 also. Let's try it on 6 and see. It's still fine on 6. You learn a lot of great chords on my intermediate piano course. Grab a copy today. God bless you in Jesus' name.